Male reproductive health is largely dependent on the function of a small gland called the prostate. Under normal conditions, it is donut-shaped and surrounds the urethra, the tube used to urinate. It is also undeniable that a man's diet has a significant impact on the health of his prostate gland and the severity of symptoms in the event of prostate disease. The following foods can help flush out the prostate. 1. Legumes. Beans are high in folic acid, potassium, iron, magnesium, and fiber. They go well with a variety of dishes such as stews, casseroles, soups, and salads. Beans taste great when seasoned with your favorite herbs and spices. Research has shown that soya contributes to a healthy prostate. Isoflavones, a type of phytoestrogen, are abundant in soya. Tofu, soya milk, edamame, and tempeh are some of the most common healthy soya products. 2. Plant-based foods. Vegetables and fruits are excellent sources of a variety of nutrients, phytonutrients. The combination of these nutrients alone may help keep your prostate healthy. Try to eat at least 5 servings of vegetables a day. Choosing vegetables and fruits of different colors, green, yellow/orange, red/purple, and white, will provide a wide range of phytochemicals that are good for prostate health. It is important to eat a variety of different colored vegetables and fruits. 3. Tomato sauce. The antioxidant properties of cooked tomatoes are particularly effective in reducing the risk of prostate cancer. Consumption of cooked tomatoes is associated with a 28% reduction in a man's risk of developing prostate cancer. Tomatoes high in lycopene have an antioxidant effect on prostate cells.